When I gave birth to my baby son, we found out that he was born with clubfoot. It broke my heart, and I was afraid of the long journey ahead. However, I was glad that there was a doctor who was willing to help us. He told me that clubfoot is not difficult to treat and does not even require surgery because the baby's bones are still soft. All that is needed is a plaster cast to fix the bone growth and wear corrective shoes for a period of time. Then the baby will be able to walk like a normal person. If you also believe in God, please pray for my baby.